Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Creative Careers. If you are new to my channel, I make content regarding all sort of design related fields, creative fields, especially about bachelors of design, masters of design, for the exams like SEED, USEED, NID, and Bachelor of Architecture, Planning, Interior Design and Graphic Design, UX UI Design and Entrepreneurship. And if you are interested in learning these sort of things, please hit subscribe button to my channel. So today's topic is how to prepare for NID DAT exam, that is to get into bachelors of design for NID in NID colleges like NID Ahmedabad and all other new NID branches. I have made an entire video on NID and what all the disciplines taught in NID. The link is given in the link will be given in the description. Please watch that video if you don't know about NID. NID is National Institute of Design. It's a well-known institute for design. So for this you have to give an entrance exam called as National Institute of Design Aptitude Test. This is the entrance exam. So there are three sets of three rounds. One is NID DAT prelims, second one is NID DAT mains. After that, so one who qualifies in NID DAT prelims are only allowed to give NID DAT mains. After that, you will be having a studio test where you will be asked to make a hands-on sketch or a model, and after that you will be having an interview. So this time, due to COVID and all, interview will be on online basis only. Then exam pattern is 30% of marks will be allotted for the subjective, that is your MCQ and these side of questions, and other one I said objective, that is mainly about how you think, your creative ability. Okay, sketching part will be there for a solution. Then subjective question are 14 questions of 1 mark each, and there are 8 questions of 2 mark each. So this topic contains some little bit of calculation questions and some questions that deal with creative things and all these sort of things, or cultural related, current affairs, these sort of things. Then objective will be solution type questions, like last year paper they had given how you protect the tree, make a object for that, these sort of questions. Then how to prepare for this exam. See, for 30% you have to study about Indian culture, literature, artist, history, who painted certain paintings, these sort of things. Architecture, like which emperor built which temple, or which temples belong to which of the empires, and how they are well known for certain things, and arts and crafts of all these area. And I will be making videos for this, so if you are interested in learning and giving this exam, please hit the subscribe button. So subject, all those people who are giving USEED exam, I highly recommend you to give NID DAT as well, because this exam is for top end design colleges, so I highly recommend you to give this exam as well. And registration for this exam usually starts these months only, but this time due to COVID and all, they are starting it in the January first or second or third week. I'll give you the information whenever registration starts, and exam will be held in March, the first prelims, and after that May the mains will be held. So let's start. Then you have to study about design basics, like principles of design, elements of design, everything whichever I said for USEED exam. No, if you haven't watched my USEED video, I highly recommend go and watch that as well, because both these exams follow very similar thing. Even the NIFT aspirants, your general ability test will be on these sort of things only. So I highly recommend all the people who are preparing for SEED, USEED, NID and NIFT, please subscribe to the channel and get knowledge of these sort of things. At least you will be having things in the mind, like all the Indian related stuff, artist, literature, I'll be making videos for you guys. And logos, every year they ask questions on logos. Then there is about brands, like which brand belong to which country, and about entrepreneurs, like which were the new startups started and who were their founders. Like Facebook was started by Mark Zuckerberg. So these sort of things they will ask in the exam. So for drawing part, you need practice a lot. 70% of your marks will be dependent on your sketching. So sketching is very important in NID exams and problem solving method. Look at all the graphical related sites to get an idea, and watch TED Talks regarding design to how the problem solving is done. Read the books related to design, and one of my highly recommended book for problem solving is Design of Everyday Things. You will understand how to do the things. And another one is Simple Theory of Sketching, and Design of Everyday Things is highly recommended for those people who are going for the product design. I have made the videos related to what is design and all these different sort of design, like which design discipline is good. Please go and watch my playlist of what is design and what are different design fields. Then how to get into NID for B design. So all this is there, and please subscribe to my channel if you are interested in giving the exam, or if you want to prepare for this exam. And for Masters of Design in NID, I'll make another video because it is very discipline based. By that I mean your specialization based. So things will work little different for those who are applying for Masters of Design in NID. Okay, thank you.